What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I took a little break, got real busy at work, but it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope y'all had an amazing holiday. And today we're going to be cooking some hibachi. My girlfriend got me a new grill, so I'm going to do a little B-roll of making that. And then we're going to film a video of getting the griddle prepared, seasoning it. Then we're going to get into the hibachi. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, now we got the grill all made. We made it, and it's time to season the grill. So what we're going to do, turn all these on. And we're going to get it nice and hot. We're going to keep it on high. And then once it gets nice and hot, we're going to pour some of this vegetable oil on it. Let it season. So you want it to, whenever you get done, you want it to be like that bluish purple color. And that's how you know it's seasoned. So we'll let this heat up, then we're going to season it. Got the grill on high, letting it heat up. So now, grab some of this vegetable oil. So what you're going to do, and get it, you're just going to pour it on that. Then what I do, is I'm going to grab some tongs, some paper towels, ball it up, grab it. We're going to give it a nice coat. Once you get done with that, it's going to smoke off. So you're going to keep on, you're going to let it ride until it gets done smoking. So I'll show y'all whenever it starts smoking. It's going to smoke, gets done smoking, that means all the oil's off of it. Probably going to do that 2 or 3 times. Alright, we're going to add one more thin little layer. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to prep the vegetables while that's out there getting the seasoning on the griddle. So, start off, we got some mushrooms, onion, probably only use 1 zucchini, but maybe 2 zucchini, and broccoli. Alright, so I went over there, grabbed this tin foil, just gonna go ahead and dump that in there. We're gonna put all our vegetables in here. So we're gonna do it the easy way. Work smarter, not harder, right? Next we're gonna move to the onion. Alright, now we got our mushrooms. Go ahead, put them in there. Bang. I got my broccoli, just rinsing them off. They're already chopped up, So I'm just gonna rinse them off real quick. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I like chicken thighs better than chicken breasts, so I'm just gonna cut them up. Alright, so we chopped up the chicken. I like to not chop up the steak because I like to keep it in one piece, sear it on both sides, then chop it up when it's on the grill. So what we're gonna do now is go out there, throw these vegetables on, get to cooking. Alright, now we're ready to start cooking. Gonna grab our vegetables. Gonna put them on the right side, as so. Alright. Get you a nice thing of water. Spray you up some water. Look at that. When it's sizzling like that, you know it's good. Alright. Add a little bit of sesame teriyaki. Get that on there. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit. Then, last but not least, some people love it, some people hate it. Soy sauce. Sprinkle you a little bit of soy. As so. What I like to do, grab it real quick. Mix it up for a second. Try to get it in a circle. Alright. Then, I'm going to add a little bit more water. Like that. And we're going to put the lid on. We're going to let it steam. Alright. Next step is rice. I'm going to go grab that out of the fridge. Alright. Now, get our olive oil. There we go. Pop it open. Pour some down. We're gonna throw our rice right on top of it. What I did with this rice was I had pre-cooked it, threw it in the fridge so it doesn't stick. That's the way I like to do it. Throw that down. Get our other one. Throw that down. Chop her up. We'll come over here, check this. Looking good. Still needs more time. Let it steam. You want to keep that lid on so it steams. Now I got me 2 eggs. I use fresh eggs, fresh farm eggs. Another one. Like that. Can't let it get too hot. We're gonna scramble it. About like that. We're gonna go ahead and start mixing it. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, lift this up, get this off. I gotta find somewhere to put it. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. There we go. And then I'm gonna combine vegetables over here. And then put a little bit more olive oil down. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook our steaks. I bought 2 pieces of steaks. I like doing ribeyes. A lot of people like fillets. Me personally, I like a ribeye better than a fillet. I don't know why, but I do. Lay that down. And then get this other one. Get him over there. Hey, once I get a nice sear on both sides, I'm gonna cut into it and let it cook that way. So all we're doing now is basically trying to get a nice sear on it. We ain't trying to cook it. Trying to get a nice sear. Alright, so now go ahead and cut this steak up. Alright, now that we got the steak pretty much all cut up, pretty much done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken on. Let that cook. Actually, while that's almost done, we're going to add some teriyaki sauce. Add some soy sauce. Add some sesame sauce. Alright, steak's pretty much done. Move it over here. Alright, chicken's done. So what we're going to do, go ahead and combine the two. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. Let's get this joker in the pan. Alright, it's all done. See how good it is. Alright. Chicken steak. In there. So good. Man, hibachi is probably one of my favorite things. So easy to make too. Alright, appreciate y'all watching. This is how I cook my hibachi chicken and steak. Hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see me cook next. Appreciate y'all watching.